Hello everyone, my name is Jashoda and this is my project for the AI/ML and Financial Technology Hackathon powered by Tradl. I have built an AI-powered financial news intelligence system using a multi-agent architecture in LangGraph. The goal of this system is to process real-time financial news, remove duplicate articles, extract companies and sectors, map stock impact, and finally answer context-aware queries like HDFC Bank news or interest rate impact. This system is designed for traders and analysts who need fast, accurate, and actionable insights from massive amount of news. Here I will provide you some directory overview. So my project is structured into a clean modular folder, so each capability is isolated and easy to maintain. The main folders are ingestion, deduplication, NER extraction, impact mapping, query engine, API, database, evaluation and deployment. So first we will walk through ingestion module. So in ingestion module, it fetches the financial news from RSS feeds and APIs. The fetch underscore RSS.py script collects data and the cleaner.py normalizes HTML, and my ingestion underscore agent.py file is a LangGraph agent that initiates pipeline. This module ensures that the system always has real-time clean and structural financial news to process. Next I will give you walkthrough through deduplication. So the deduplication is one of the biggest challenges in financial news. Different sources write the same news with different wording. I solved this using sentence transformer embeddings, FAISS, chroma vector stores, and custom similarity thresholds. Inside similarity underscore engine.py. For higher accuracy, I have added an optional clustering module. The dedupe underscore agent in this folder identifies semantically similar articles and consolidates them into one unique story. This meets at least 95% duplicate detection accuracy. After I will give you some walkthrough through NER and entity understanding. Using spaCy, Stanza, and custom financial domain rules, my system extracts company, sectors, regulator, peoples, and events. The entity underscore rules.py file handles patterns like RBI, HDFC Bank, ICICI, and sector mapping tables. Connect each company to its sector. The NER underscore agent formats everything cleanly so that the next agent can understand the financial relationships. Further, we will talk about impact mapping. Once entities are extracted, it calculates stock impact. Impact mapping is essential for traders because it tells who is affected by the news. In this, I have used three layers. First, for direct company mention, which is having 1.0 confidence. Second, sector wise impact, which is having confidence of 0.6 to 0.8 range. And third is the regulatory impact, which is having variable. Stock underscore matcher .py maps company to NEC BSE symbols, and the scoring.py assigns confidence, and the impact underscore agent returns actionable insights. Further, we will move towards query engine. This is the heart of the system for end users. When someone asks a question like HDFC Bank News, the system doesn't just return direct mentions. It expands context, company with the banking sector. Here, the query underscore classifier.py file understands whether the user is asking about a company, sector, regulator or market theme. Next, our query underscore expander.py expands the context. Next, the semantic underscore search.py retrieves result using vector similarity. And the next, readAnchor.py improves result quality. The query underscore agent combines all of this to provide high relevant and intelligent responses satisfying the hackathon's context-aware query requirement. Further, we will walk through the graph folder. Here, all of the agents above work together using LangGraph. If we talk about workflow.py, orchestrate the entire pipeline, including ingestion, deduplication, NER, impact mapping, indexing, and querying. State.py manages shared data between agents, and the registry.py registers all agents. This multi-agent design was mandatory and significantly improves the modularity and accuracy. Further, we will talk about API. I have exposed the entire system as clean REST API using FastAPI. Here we can see in our list the latest news are being fetched, and in our pipeline endpoint workflow is showing that completely running successfully. In our query part, it is showing that it answers the query perfectly. And the schemas contain request response module for clean structured data. This makes integration easy for dashboards, mobile apps, and or trading tools. Then I will give you some walkthrough to database. All processed news, entities, and impact mappings are stored in a structured SQL database using SQLAlchemy. I have also created evaluation modules to measure deduplication, accuracy, NER, precision recall, and query relevance. These experiments folder include notebooks for embedding selection and threshold tuning, which is crucial for achieving high accuracy. In conclusion, this system fulfills all requirements including multi-agent LangGraph architecture, accurate deduplication, high-quality NER, impact mapping with confidence, context-aware querying, fast API endpoints, and a clean directory by including all our folders into it. Thank you.